Historical Account of the Evolution of Writing in Garifuna by Clifford J. Palacio. The Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, Gahfu. The Garifuna language, like the English language, has grammar and syntax. Nouns in Garifuna, for example, have gender, number, and person. Verbs have tense and can be conjugated, and the nouns can be declined. Like English, Garifuna has long words borrowed from other languages. French 15%, English 10%, and Spanish 5%. The following current students of the Garifuna language in Los Angeles can attest to the fact that Garifuna language is written and has structure. Dr. Douglas Carranza, professor at Cal State University, Northridge. Dr. Catherine E. Gill, honorary consul general of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And Mr. Ronnie Figueroa, master's degree in public administration and Gahfu's vice president. Historical account of the evolution of writing in Garifuna. In 1666, Father Raymond Breton compiled a Garifuna dictionary in Yurumain, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Several of the words remain unaltered after 340 years. Many of them are no longer in current use. In 1666, list of words may be found on the internet. 1930s, Marcelina Beata Lambe composed several Garifuna hymns, all of which are still in use today. 1940s, T.V. Ramos translated English hymns into Garifuna. Mr. Ramos also wrote words of songs of his own. 1951, First Garifuna Dictionary was compiled in Belize by Father John Stochel. S.J. assisted by a group of Garifuna students, Theodore Palacio, Eugene Hernandez, Augustine Flores, Govell Morgan, and Clifford Palacio. Mother at Your Feet is Kneeling was translated into Garifuna by Govell Morgan and Clifford Palacio. Douglas M. Taylor wrote an Uraga in Hopkins and produced The Black Caribs of British Honduras. In 1972, Father Richard Hadel, S.J., revised Stochel's Garifuna dictionary with the assistance of Roman Zuniga. He produced 3 volumes in Garifuna. 1970s, the Garifuna Mass was translated from English into Garifuna. Marcelina Lewis wrote several poems in Garifuna. Don Justo Flores wrote a dictionary in Garifuna. In 1977, Holy Mass was celebrated by Father Oswald Reyes in the Garifuna language in Los Angeles. In 1983, the Garifuna Bible was published in Honduras. In 1993, the People's Garifuna Dictionary by E. Roy Cayetano was released. In 2002, Bungyu Waba by E. Roy Cayetano was also released. In 2007, Watina CD was released with a collection of Garifuna songs whose lyrics are written in Garifuna, featuring Andy Palacio and the Garifuna Collective. In 2008, in Dangriga, an Irish priest celebrated Holy Mass in Garifuna at the last Garifuna Settlement Day celebrations, Thanksgiving Mass. He also delivered his homily in Garifuna. There are many more works that are available. Here is a list of Garifuna books on the market today. Number 1, Lereru Bungyu To Lanina Iseri Daradu Garifuna Bible. Number 2, Yurumen Daga Rubada. Number 3, Conversemos en Garifuna. Number 4, Wanile. Number 5, Hererum Waguchagu. Number 6, The People's Garifuna Dictionary. Number 7, Bungyu Waba. Number 8, Libagari Jesus. Number 9, Lubeneri Cielo. Number 10, Garifuna Language Workbook by Michelle Goldwasser and Gahfu. Number 11, Garifuna Language for Beginners by B.A. Arsu. Number 12, Garifuna 4, Children, Numbers 1 through 10 by Isidra Savio. The list goes on and on. Mr. Clifford J. Palacio was a board member for the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Gahfu. He was also a teacher at the Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy of Los Angeles. The academy proudly served the community through education, forums, workshops, and presentations since 2005. The Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy of Los Angeles was a concept started by Gahfu. The school was established in 2005, and it was first held at Mabatua Cultural Center of Los Angeles. After Mabatua, Gahfu saw the need to establish a more permanent school where families could attend and learn. The purpose of this project was to preserve the language spoken and written. The school was renamed the Clifford J. Palacio Language and Culture Academy in honor of Mr. Palacio for his lifelong dedication and teaching the Garifuna language and grammar to many generations. Mr. Palacio's legacy continues through the teachers at the Clifford J. Palacio Language and Culture Academy, whom were all trained by him. Rest in peace, Mr. Clifford J. Palacio, July 6, 2022 in Los Angeles. He was born on 6 May 1930 in Belize, Central America. Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte. Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.